Stop thinking the prettiest creatures are harmless. The blue-ringed octopus is proof that looks can truly kill. This little guy, just the size of your hand, packs enough venom to take down 20 people. Those glowing blue rings, that's its way of saying back off. They flash only when it's threatened. Its venom comes from bacteria, not the octopus itself, and the bite is often painless, until it's too late. Even cooler, it's super smart, regrows arms, and the moms will even starve to keep their babies safe. Remember, in the ocean, danger comes in small packages. Don't forget to subscribe.